first food video. Oh boy. That is Maple wagging her tail. And Abita slurping it up. And Pumpkin right by her side. Not too bad for first food. Wag, 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 wag. This is puppy mush. Dog food soaked in boiling water for about 20 minutes. And then we add some puppy milk, which is just evaporated milk with egg yolk and some Karo syrup. And they love it. Uh-oh.